Students, today I am going to discuss the inelastic collision, and that inelastic collision is one dimension means the collision, the direction of the colliding particle is same as the direction of the velocity before the collision. Now look at this figure. Suppose the particle of mass is moving with a velocity u1, and there is another body having mass m2 and its velocity is 0, means it is in a state of rest, and it collide with this m2, and since the collision is completely inelastic, so they will move together, यानी दोनों मिलके एक साथ चलेंगे, यानी and the common velocity is v. This is the common velocity by which they will move together. And since the collision is completely inelastic, but there is a according to law of conservation of linear momentum, the total momentum before the collision is m1 u1 and plus 0, because the second body is in a state of rest, and after collision, since they will move together, and hence the total momentum is m1 plus m2 and the common velocity is v. So this is the v is equal to m1 u1 by m1 plus m2, and this is the common velocity. Now we will want to discuss the what is the change in the काइनेटिक एनर्जी. मतलब हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी में जो चेंज हुआ वो क्या हुआ. अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि द इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज के इज हाफ m1 u1 square. दिस इज द इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी, एंड द फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ the combined mass is m1 plus m2, so half m and v square. This is the common velocity. Putting the value of this v from this relation 1, we can say that the m1 plus m2, and it is equal to m1 u1 by m1 plus m2 whole square. Now the final KE is equal to half m1 plus m2 m1 square u1 square divided by m1 plus m2 whole square, and it is equal to half m1 square u1 square divided by m1 plus m2. Now the change in KE, that is the final minus initial, change in KE, initial minus final. The initial is the half m1 u1 square, and the final is half m1 square u1 square divided by m1 plus m2, and it is equal to one by 2 u1 square is common, and it is m1 minus m1 square divided by m1 plus m2, and it is equal to half u1 square, and is m1 plus m2 minus m1 square divided by m1 plus m2. It is equal to half u1 square m1 square m1 into minus m1 square divided by m1 plus m2, and this will cancel, and this is the equal to half m1 m2 u1 square divided by m1 plus m2. See, this half is positive, mass is either positive or 0, so mass is positive, so this is positive, and u is positive, so it is total positive, and this total positive means the initial kinetic minus final kinetic energy is positive. So we can say that the initial kinetic energy is greater than the final kinetic energy, because this value is positive, so this will greater than this value, and we can say that there is a loss in kinetic energy, and this loss is equal to this value. Thus we can say that in the case of inelastic collision, there is a loss in the kinetic energy, but in the elastic collision, you have already seen that in elastic collision the kinetic energy will also conserve, but in inelastic collision there is a loss in the kinetic energy.